75% of climate change impacts have been contributed by GHG emissions from energy use activities, specifically from the road sector in the transport industry. I am part of the 800,000 commuters here in Nairobi City that use public service vehicles known as matatus. And in this industry, in an effort to outcompete each other and provide a greater commuter experience, they employ creative strategies such as mesmerizing lights, additional high-definition audio and video systems, security systems, and in some vehicle fleets, air conditioning units. This means increased strain on the engine's alternator to provide electrical energy to power these units. This means more fuel consumed. This means more emissions. This means further degradation of the planet. My name is Dennis Karaoke, and I'm the founder of Creos Holdings Limited, an energy optimization company. And we have developed a product known as the SunCanopy that is supposed to help improve the fuel efficiency of commercial vehicles. So what's our deal? Our deal as Creos is to provide the SunCanopy, which is a modular solar kit that improves fuel efficiency to public service vehicles at a cost of 3,700 euros per kit. We are looking to sell this product to a market of 5%, that is in the Nairobi beachhead market of 12,000 registered public service vehicles, scale it to 40% of the Kenyan market, and finally to 20% of the East African market by 2032, generating a revenue of 700 million euros. So what is this that we are offering as our value through the SunCanopy? We are telling our customers that we are going to be able to reduce their fuel consumption by 1,675 liters annually per vehicle. This, employed across the whole beachhead market, will reduce the cost of fuel by 1.3 million euros. This means increased profitability, increased revenue for the commercial vehicle owners, and reduced maintenance costs. So how does our technology work? Our modular solar kits, the SunCanopy, are basically a light and flexible solar panel that is easy to install on the roof of the vehicle. Through the solar panel, light is harvested and converted to electricity through a series of a charge controller electrical cables and stored in an auxiliary battery system to provide electrical energy to what we are referring to hotel or club loads inside the vehicle. It could reduce this consumption by almost 100%. So as part of our customer discovery, we had one major assumption that we really needed to clarify. Who is the final decision maker with regards to owning the technology? So we spoke to 3 SACCO managers, and what we were able to gather as a key insight is that these SACCO managers have to pass the idea to the vehicle owner in the very long run. So when the vehicle various vehicle owners purchase our product, we are looking to generate a revenue of 177 million euros by the end of year 5 through the sale of 240,000 kits at a profit of 740 euros per kit. So with this, we hope to be able to mitigate CO2 emissions through our technology by up to 180,000 tons per year. This is equivalent to planting 8 million trees, and this is just by the year 2027. To achieve this, we have a dream as a team. Myself as a CEO, I'm a mechanical engineer with 7 years experience, with Robert Odero, my CTO, who is an energy engineer with 5 years experience, and Samantha Mukalia, our operations manager, a HR professional with 3 years experience. We hope to create 1,000 direct jobs by 2032 in transport and electric mobility, and have a company valuation of 800 million euros by 2027 with a 40% market share in Kenya, offsetting 180,000 tons of CO2 annually through our solar kit retrofits by 2027. Thank you.